What's up everybody, NCmotoRIDER here, and in this video talk a little bit about my 2021 KLIM Apex jacket. So a few months ago I actually decided to upgrade my gear and decided to go with the KLIM Apex jacket as well as a pair of Latitude pants, which I'll do a separate video on those. I wanted something that was waterproof all the time and something that I know will last. There were so many great reviews on the KLIM stuff, especially this Apex jacket. I almost went with the Badlands, but apparently that stuff is geared more for off-road, which I do not do much off-road, if any at all. I might hit like a fire road once in a while, but I didn't need the Badlands, so I went with this. I've had this jacket for a few months now and I really like it. It's very comfortable. Now it is hot. It's hot whenever it's hot outside. This jacket is hot. Now it will flow a lot of air, but for me it's still hot, so I do have a mesh jacket to wear like when it's really hot outside. Some of the features that come along with this jacket is it's guaranteed to keep you dry with the Gore-Tex 3-layer outer shell. Now it has the Gore-Tex infused in it, and I haven't had a chance to actually test that myself. I want to. I actually want to leave the house in the rain and wear this jacket and just see how waterproof it is, along with my pants. I haven't had a chance to test that yet, but I definitely want to do that, and we'll definitely do a video doing that. It also features VT10 YKK Vision Aqua Card water resistant zippers, but apparently the zippers are completely waterproof as well, so you can ride in a downpour and you shouldn't get any water in your zipper. It also has perforated Italian leather overlays on the shoulders and the elbows. I think that's really nice. I mean, not something I really need, but it does look nice. It also has 3M Scotch-Lite gray reflective material on it. This stuff right here on various parts of the jacket. There's some on the back here, on the sleeves, up here on the shoulders as well. It also features what KLIM calls biomotion recognition engineered reflective placement. It means there's reflective material put on the back of this jacket, so then whenever there's a car behind you, it actually looks like a person on a motorcycle. It's actually really cool. I've watched a couple of videos on it myself, but I think it's pretty awesome. It also features a double storm flap center zipper. So now I want to talk a little bit about the armor and the protection that comes with. Now this jacket features the D3O T5 Evo Pro XT elbow and shoulder pieces, and that armor actually exceeds level 1 CE certification. It also includes the D3O Viper Pro back piece, which actually exceeds level 2 CE certification, and it includes the external arm tension straps, so you can really cinch the jacket down and keep your armor in place, you know, if it does come loose or something like that. Now a little bit about the airflow of this jacket. It actually does have pretty decent ventilation. It's got these two giant zippers on each side that open up like that. There's one on this side too. Now I have ridden with this in the hot with those open, and it flows a ton of air, but for me it's still just, it's too hot to wear when it's really hot outside. It's actually designed to be worn on touring motorcycles, maybe ones with larger windshields and pieces of plastic that block the rider. Really like these zippers right here on your arms, which they zip open and then you get air right to your arms. That actually feels really nice when it's hot outside. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the cargo comfort and fit system. This jacket features 6 external pockets, 2 chest, 2 hand, and 1 hidden chest pocket under the storm flap, 1 lower sleeve ID and license pocket, which is right here. I haven't done it, but I think you can go on KLIM.com and have some kind of ID card made. Seems like I've seen something about that, but I haven't done that yet. The jacket also features 5 internal pockets, 3 zippered, 5 mesh stash, and 1 hidden passport pocket in the liner. It does have more of a tailored sport fit, but this is actually a 2XL. I'm about 6 foot, 250 pounds, and it fits me pretty well. I could probably wear a hoodie under it, which I actually have wore a hoodie under it and it fit fine. It does have jacket to pant belt loops and jacket to pant zipper, which this jacket is designed to zip to the torrent pants. It also has an accordion stretch leather panel above the elbow, right here, so that you can get full motion of your elbows and whatnot. It has an off-center collar cinch cord right there, so you can really cinch your collar down to keep wind and water out of it. It has a cinch cord on the bottom as well of the jacket, so you can really cinch it around your waist. KLIM gear is not some of the cheapest gear out there, and none of this was given to me. I purchased everything KLIM that I own. I'm not sponsored in any way by KLIM whatsoever. But like I said, I really like this jacket, and if given the chance, I would buy it again. Let me know down in the comments what kind of jacket you guys wear. If you guys have a KLIM jacket, whether it be this one or a different model. Also, let me know if I missed anything about this jacket. If you have any questions about this jacket, let me know down in the comments. Like this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.